We are in our Piano Adventure series, Lesson Book 1. And today we're going to be playing Mexican Jumping Beans. Now, our last lessons, we learned about playing legato, which is nice and smooth. Now today we're going to learn about staccato. And that means that we separate the notes to create a crisp, detached sound. So it would sound like this. And the staccato mark is a tiny dot above or below the note. You can see a picture there. It either sits on top of the note or sits below a note. So we're going to be in our C position, right hand on middle C, left hand pinky on low C, and we are going to be playing staccato. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, did you notice something in this piece? The very last note, it says play the highest C on the piano, but there is no note written in. It just has a little orange, like a balloon with a C in it. So our very highest C is right here. If you have 88 keys, it's going to be the very last key on the piano. And if you don't have 88 keys, you have a smaller keyboard, then you're going to find the highest group of 2 black keys, and the first white key is your highest C. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? Did you find your highest C and play it the very last note of the song? Have fun with this one. This is a nice finger exercise to teach you how to play staccato.